Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice math problem? Solution here. On what we have, on factor 3 raised to power x here, that is 3 raised to power x into brackets. Here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 left here equals to 20 on this side. This is the same thing as 3 raised to power x times 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 3, equals to 20 on this side. Then next step, we divide both sides by 3 here. That is, divide this side by 3. Also divide this side by 3. 3 cancel each other here. This becomes 3 raised to power x equals to 20 over 3. The next step, we take the log on both sides. Here we have log 3 raised to power x equals to log 20 over 3 here. Then, applying the power law of logarithm, when we have log m raised to power p, which is the same thing as p log m, here this becomes x log 3 equals to log 20 over 3. Then also, we bring the log together on one side. Divide both sides by log 3 here. Can divide this side by log 3 and also divide this side by log 3, so that log 3 will cancel each other here. And this becomes x equals to log 20 over 3 divided by log 3. Let's apply the law of logarithm. When we have log a over b, this is the same thing as log a minus log b. So here, what we have becomes x equals to log 20 minus log 3 over log 3. Next step here, we separate this from when we have a minus b over c. And write this as a over c minus b over c. So that here we have x equals to log 20 over log 3 minus log 3 over log 3. So here we have this cancel each other. Log 3 and log 3 cancel out. We have 1 left here. Now this x equals to log 20 over log 3 minus 1. Then here we can separate 20 as 4 times 5. So that what we have becomes x equals to log 4 times 5, then over log 3 minus 1 here. Then this also follows when we have log a times b. We can write this as log a plus log b. So that here this becomes x equals to log 4 plus log 5 over log 3 minus 1. And also we can separate this and we have x equals to log 4 over log 3 plus log 5 over log 3 minus 1. Then here 4 same thing as 2 times 2, which is same thing as 2 square. When we write this becomes x equals to log 2 square over log 3 plus log 5 over log 3 minus 1. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here and we have x equals to 2 log 2 over log 3 plus log 5 over log 3 minus 1. Then applying change of base, when we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. Then what we have becomes x equals to 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1. We have the value of x in this problem. And let's check if this satisfies this problem. We substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1. So what we have here becomes 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 plus also 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 also plus 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 is it equals to 20 on this side. Then when we look here, we have same thing added together, just like when we have a plus a plus a. So this same thing as 3 times a. In the same way, let's write this as 3 times 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1 up here. Is it equals to 20 on this side? So applying the law of indices here, we combine addition and subtraction here. So we can separate this and we have 3 times 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 divided by 3 raised to power 1. Is it equals to 20 on this side? And here this becomes 3 times 3 raised to power, when we reverse this to, we have log 2 square, which is 4 is 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 over 3 raised to power 1, that's 3. Is it equals to 20 on this side? Then 3 cancelled each other here. We have 3 raised to power log 4 base 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3. Is it equals to 20 on this side? So this follows the law of logarithm. A raised to power log b to base a is equals to b. So also here, this is 4 times 5. Is it equals to 20 on this side? Of course. 4 times 5, that's 20, which is equals to 20 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that the value of x here, which is 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 1, satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell. Share this video with thumbs up and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.